Hi everyone, my name's Frank, and I'm the user advocate for Artsman, and welcome to our series on email in Theater Manager. In this video, we'll be setting up a new employee email account. Alright, let's get started. Staff members can use their work email address to send out invoices, ticket confirmations, or form letters directly from Theater Manager, but there are a few steps to get it going. First, we need a work email address in the employee record. And second, we need to access the employee preferences to input the correct SMTP settings. With those two steps in mind, let's imagine I'm a box office manager, and I need to set up a new employee in Theater Manager. Before doing anything else, the first thing we're going to do is log in as the master user. Doing so ensures we're using a profile that has permissions to access and edit employee settings. Next, let's bring up a list of all our active employees by clicking on Setup, Users and Access, Employee List, and click on the magnifying glass to populate the window. This summary shows all the active employees, but it also shows the primary email column. Notice how everyone here is already using a company email address, except for me. To add a new email, I'm going to highlight my name and click on the Patron icon in the toolbar, which brings us directly to the employee record. Next, we'll click on the Contact Info tab, where we can see my work number and current Gmail address. In the contact card, a patron can have lots of contact information, a home and cell number, a personal and work email, etc. The green dot to the left indicates the primary contact in the record, which is another way of saying it's the one the system will pull anytime we're asking Theater Manager to contact the patron. We're going to add my work email and then set it to the quote-unquote primary by choosing Add, New Email, and then Work, and filling in the details. I'm going to use support@artsman.com for this example. I'll click on Save, which adds the email to the record. Notice how the green dot is going to move when we click on the gear icon next to our work email and select Set Primary. There we go. Okay, let's close our patron window and head back to the employee list. Step 2 is inputting our SMTP settings. To do this, we select our employee record from the list below and click the User Preference icon in the toolbar. And then from this window, we select the Email tab. These settings are specified by our email service provider, so what we enter here and the options we check depend on what they need in order for us to use their services. Once we've input all the necessary details, we're going to click Save, and then use the Test Email button to verify all the settings are correct. If they are, a test email will show up in your inbox. Okay, time to recap. Setting up a new staff member's email in Theater Manager requires two distinct steps. First, that we have a work address in the contact card that is set to primary, and the employee user preference email tab is correctly filled out. And that's it. We hope you've enjoyed this video. From all of us here at Artsman, thanks for watching.